Welcome back to Do It Myself Garage. As you can see, we've got the ladders on the truck now. For whatever reason though, all of a sudden the blinkers started going really fast. Normally on most vehicles that I've owned in the past, when your turn signals start flashing really fast, you've got a burned out bulb. And in this case, that is not the case. My understanding is I just need to replace the flasher unit. So I bought an LED compatible one. I'll put a link to that below. Let's go ahead and get that installed real quick. Alright, so we need to take this panel off right underneath the steering wheel. My understanding is just 2 bolts. They're 7mm, so that should all be all that's needed to get that off of here. Alright, so I removed those 2 screws. They're laying right down there on the floor. Then you do need to kind of pull the dash loose a little bit. This just pops out. That helps you get this panel out of here. Otherwise, you really can't get this clip out of here because it's tucked behind the upper panel. But you don't have to take the whole thing out. Just get it a little loose. Okay, so the flasher unit is right there. That's that piece that's hanging on the end. Alright, so that's what it looks like before. See if I can get this out of here. A lot of people say it's kind of a pain to get out. I was thinking maybe I could get in here with a channel locks. It's not that it comes out hard, it's just awkward. There's no room to grab a hold of it. I was really hoping I could get top and bottom with the channel locks. Can I? There we go. There we go. Just kind of walk it out of there. And paying attention to the way it came out, the two prongs are at the bottom. But here it is. Here's the new flasher unit. Same as the old one. The 2 prongs down. Go in here. Alright, keys. And after. And where's the hazards on this one? Here it is. So there we go. As you can see, that was a pretty easy fix. I just pressed the new one down in there. Goes right in the spot of the old one. I did pull the whole bottom panel out, so it was a little easier for you to see. But the only thing I had to do was just pull the dash out just a little bit more along the edge. That just snaps back into place. There's no screws or nothing with that. So thanks everybody for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.